Hello children. Hi. All are fine? Yes. And yesterday you have celebrated the festival, right? Which festival? Yes, Sankranti. So I wish you all a happy Sankranti, Bogi, Pongal. Few will call with the different names. But the festival is common for everyone. Okay? Yes. And in the last class, we are doing with Microsoft Excel. Yes, and I explained you all the components of the Excel window. So let's recall the last class what we learned, and we are going to learn few more things in Microsoft Excel today. Are you ready? Yes, and take your textbooks also while watching this video. Fine. Okay children, we'll start now. So now let's begin chapter 7 starting with Excel. This is the Excel window and these are all the components which we learned in the last video. Isn't it children? Yes. So now quickly take a rough book and start writing a name of all the components which I have labeled. The numbers are also given. So quickly write and I'll just give you a 1 minute time. Do it. And your time starts now. Write exactly the correct number and the name. So 1, 2, 3. Totally you have 10 components. "25 seconds left. Yes, I hope you all done. Ready with the answer sheets with you? Yes. Okay. Be truth for yourself. And now I'll show the answers and you correct by yourself whether you have written the correct answer or not. Yes. I hope everyone have written the correct answers. Yes, children? Yes. Very good then. So now let's move on to the new topic in MS Excel. So let's see what are the different types of data that can be entered in an MS Excel window. Okay, we can enter mainly 5 different types of data in the cell. What are those? The first are numbers. I can enter numbers in any form like a decimal numbers, fractional numbers, whole numbers. All the numbers can be entered in the cell. And then text. What is meant by text? Any characters or the combination of alphabets and numericals, or only characters, anything we can enter in a cell. And then formulae. I can type the formulae for doing calculations. And then currency values. And then one more data type is date and time. Different formats of the date and time can also be set in Excel. Okay, so these are all the 5 different types of data where we can enter in MS Excel. Let's see in the window first. Okay, see in this Excel window, if I want, I can enter the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and I can enter a text value. I can enter the currency value by specifying a dollar symbol or a rupee symbol. and even I can enter the date. What is the date? Today is 13th Jan 2021. So this is the date I have entered. Okay, these are all the different types of the data where we can enter. Formulae also we can enter when we are discussing in the next classes. I will just show how we can type the formula. Whatever the text I have typed in the cell, that will be displayed in the formula bar. Okay. For example, once if I have typed the text over here, and if I want to edit the text or add something to the existing text, then I need to click on the mouse pointer in the formula bar and then I can type. I need to select, okay, I have to click in the formula bar and then type. Otherwise, directly if I select the text cell and if I type the text, it will be overwritten. The previous text will be erased and the new text will be added. And if I want to edit or add to the existing one, I need to click on the formula bar and then start typing it. So is this clear? How to enter the values and what are the different types of data that can be entered. So please open your textbook, page number 108. They gave you a practice time. The same table I have written here. Now I am selecting it. Can you just see? I just changed the name, but the rest all same. Page number 108. You can create a same table in MS Excel. Okay. And now let us see how we can select a range of cells. What do you mean by range and how we can select the range of cell? Let us see now. Okay. Yes. Yes. What is mean by a range? A range is a rectangular block of a continuous cell. What is mean by continuous? Yes, the cells that touch each other respectively along the line. If we are touching a cell each other, we call it as continuous. When you are selecting a continuous, a rectangular block of cells, we call them as a range of cells. There is a different methods and different ways where I can select a range of cells in MS Excel. Let us see one by one. Okay. First one, using the mouse. So using the mouse, what should I do? First, I need to click the starting cell of the range and then hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse pointer to the diagonally opposite corner. That is last cell till where you want to select the range of cells. This two steps we need to follow by using the mouse. Let's see first. If I want to select this entire data what I have typed now. So first I'll click on the first cell and then don't forget click on the left mouse button and hold it. Okay, and drag the mouse to the last cell till where I want to select. Once the selection is done, release the left mouse button. Is it clear, children? Once again, click the first cell and then click the left mouse button, hold and then drag. After selecting, release the left mouse button. Yes, this is a one method of selecting a range of cells using the mouse. And then let us see the another method by using the extend mode. Okay, for this first click the starting cell of the range and then we need to press the function key F8 You all know where the function keys will be? Yes, it will be on the top of the keyboard above the number keys. We have a function key. So press directly the function key F8, and then in the status bar it shows that extend selection mode is on. We can see once if I press the F8, extend selection mode is on. Once the extend selection mode is on, I can directly click on the last cell till where I want to select the range of cells, and then the range will be selected automatically. And to turn off the extend selection mode, I need to press again F8 or escape key. Okay? Yes, let's see now. Okay, now let's see how we can select a range of cells by using the extend selection option. Okay? Yes, first select the first cell. Yes, and then press the F8, the function key. Can you just press, which is there on top of the number keys, and once if you press the function key F8, see the status bar, just see the mouse pointer where I am placing. It shows that extend selection. So then extend selection mode is on, and directly select the last cell of the range. Then whole range will be selected automatically. Till the extend selection is on, wherever you click the mouse pointer, that whole range will be keep on selecting. So to turn off the extend selection mode, again we need to press F8 or the escape key. Is it clear? So once if I press again F8, I cannot see here extend selection. Then if I click on any cell, this selection will be disabled. So when the extend selection mode is on, it will start selecting a continuous cells from the first cell till the last cell where I have clicked. Is this clear? So this is the second way of selecting a range of cells. And then the third method, by using the third way is selecting a range of cells by using go to command. Okay, in go to command, first we need to click the starting cell. For all the three steps, what is a common thing we have seen, either by using a mouse or by using the extend selection or by using the go to command. The first thing is we need to select the starting cell of the range from where I want to start selecting a range of cells. And then the second point, click the home tab. In the editing group, click the find and select button, and then click go to, or directly we can press the F5 function key again, and then type the last cell address of the last cell in the range. Okay, and then press the enter key. Here also it is simple, 3 steps. First select the first cell, and then click on the home tab, editing group, click find and select button, and then click on go to, and then type the cell address of the last cell, and then press the enter key. Okay, we will see that also. See, I will select the first cell, and again in the home tab, can you just see here under the editing group, I will select find and select, and I choose go to command. I'll just click on go to command, and here the two important things you need to remember. Directly if you want to type the last cell address, you have to hold the shift key and type the last cell address, or otherwise directly we can specify the range by writing a cell address of the starting cell address and the last cell address. So like A1 separated by colon, and what is the last cell address? I'll just move this mouse window. Yes, it is D7. So last cell address is D7, and then click OK. So till from first cell to the last cell, whole range of cells will be selected. Okay, this is the 3 ways I can select. One by using the extend selection, the other one is go to, and then by using the mouse. And one more way also we can select by using the keyboard. Let us see how we can select by using the keyboard. First, select the first cell and then hold the shift key and then use the right arrow key or the down arrow key to select the continuous range of cells. I am not using a mouse pointer here. I am using the keyboard. So hold the shift key and use the arrow keys to move right, left and down and up. Once the selection is done, release the shift key. This is how we can select a range of cells in 4 different ways. Tell me children, what are the 4 different ways we learned to select the multiple range of cells? One, by using the mouse, and the second one by using the extend selection, and the third one by using the go to command, and the fourth one by using the keyboard. So till now it is clear how to select the range of cells. Okay, now let us see how we can select a multiple ranges at a time. This is simple. When we know how to select a range of cells, select first range and then hold the control key on the keyboard and then select the another range. This simple. Let's see now. See, I just want first only the names and height, okay, and centimeters. I don't want a weight. I just want this range and this range of cells. So first I'll just click the mouse button and then drag, and I'll select only the name column, and then my second step is hold the control key and then select the another range. I click and drag, and still another range if I want also I can do. Again hold the control key and I can select. So random selections can be done if I hold the control key, and if I press the shift key, a continuous range of cells can be selected. So this is how we can select a multiple range of cells by using the keyboard and mouse. Okay, is this clear? Yes. And now let's see how to select a complete row and complete column and a complete worksheet. Each page in a workbook we call it as worksheet. Okay, how to select a complete row? By using the mouse, directly I can just click on the row heading, then entire row will be selected. And by the keyboard I can use the shortcut keys shift and space bar key. Okay, and then so if I want to select a complete row, I'll just click here on the row heading. The entire row will be selected. Shall we move by using the scroll and see? Yes, see, the entire row will be selected if I directly click on the row heading. and if I want to select the column, I need to click on the column heading, and the shortcut key for the row is shift plus space bar, and to select the entire column the shortcut key is control plus space bar. And if I want to select entire worksheet, I can just directly click on the corner and our worksheet will be selected, and I can just click on the Control A. Okay, yes, these are all the shortcut keys. Let's learn the shortcut keys. For the complete row, the shortcut key is shift plus space bar, and for the column, control plus space bar. For the entire worksheet, control plus A. So children, please practice which was there in page number 108 and type the same text what I have typed in the MS Excel window. Will you all do that? Yes, do and practice selecting a multiple range of cells in Excel. And in the next class, we are going to learn more formatting in MS Excel. So, chapter 7 is completed in this video. Okay, children, till that, take care. Bye.
హాయ్
నేను రికార్డింగ్ పెట్టలేదా?
మంచిది హిందీ అదే నేను అనుకున్నాను. ఒకవేళ కాకపోతే ఏం చేస్తాను?